So friends, let's see how to run a Unix operating system on Windows machine. Let's say you are practicing something on your computer at home and you have only Windows operating system available. So still you want to have Unix flavor available on your Windows machine. So that is possible using something called as a virtual machine. So for this you need a tool to run a virtual machine. So in this tutorial I'll be using Microsoft Virtual PC 2007, and you need one ISO image for Unix operating system. So I have got Knoppix Unix operating system ISO available. So these are the two things available on my Windows desktop. So I have got my Microsoft Virtual PC installed. Then this is the Knoppix ISO image, and also I have got a putty. So what I need to do is I need to create a virtual machine for this ISO image. So this will be a small window within this Windows operating system in which this ISO image will be launched as if it is running on a separate machine, and I can have Windows available within that small virtual machine window. So I'll just double click on this virtual PC. I'll click on new, then it will open a new virtual machine wizard. Click on next, then create virtual machine. Next, I'll give name for this machine as Linux. Next, type of operating system is other. Next, I'll be adjusting the RAM. The recommended RAM is 128 MB, but it's not enough for running Unix, so I'll adjust it to 1024. That is 1 GB RAM I'll be allocating to this particular new Linux machine. I'll be creating a new virtual hard disk for this particular new Linux machine. So for this operating system you need to have a virtual hard disk available. So create a new virtual hard disk, click on next, click on browse, then here go to Windows 8 or some other drive. Let's say I'll create on this 320_VHDs. In this virtual desktop I'll create new hard disk called as a Linux_HDD. Click on save. This will be a new hard disk file created. So it will be like the complete file system or complete hard disk, that the space allocated to this hard disk will be stored into this particular file. So the size I need is 10 GB, so I'll be allocating 10,000 for this particular newly created hard disk. Click on next and click on finish. That's it. So this new virtual machine is created. I just need to double click on this or click on this and click on start. So this Linux will start. Now in this window it will try to boot and run some start the operating system, but still I have to attach ISO image to this particular machine. So I'll click on CD and capture ISO image. So there will be a browse window. Click on desktop, select the ISO image that we have available, click on open, and then in the action click on reset. Click on reset button. So this particular window will reset and it will launch Linux operating system for us. That's it. Very simple steps. Let's minimize this. This window will have now Unix system available. this Linux is starting. Once this particular startup is over, we will have a full-fledged desktop available for us to operate.
Creating startup sequence.
Now you can see this is a Linux desktop available for us to operate on, and there are two mouse cursors available for us. The first one is the regular Windows one, and there is one more here. So this is Linux mouse cursor. So to use this, what you need to do is anywhere within this window, click once, so there will be mouse cursor available within this particular virtual machine. So once your task is done and you want to use mouse in the regular Windows machine, then you will have to click, you'll have to press Alt button, which is on right side of the space bar. Once you press that Alt key from the right side of the space bar, then your Windows regular mouse will be available, mouse cursor will be available. And if you want to use this particular mouse cursor which is within this Linux Windows, then you will have to click within this particular window. That's it, very simple. Just press off the Alt key from the space bar's right side Alt key, then you will have the regular mouse available. So this way we have launched this particular Linux operating system. Now click on terminal. Here is the terminal option available for us. So this terminal option, terminal emulator, using which we can start one terminal. So once we have terminal available, here we can simply type the commands those we are familiar in any Unix operating system, like ls, then mkdir, and any other regular command. Similarly, we have Perl also available. So to check if we have a Perl available or not, I'll fire a command which space Perl. If I press enter, I'll get the full path where that Perl is available, like in usr bin Perl. So this is the usr bin is the directory from where this particular Perl, this binary is available for us to execute from anywhere. If I want to check the version of Perl, I can fire a command Perl space -v. Using this, we can come to know like this is version 5.10.1 built for this particular Linux GNU multi-thread, thread multi. This is the name of the operating system. i486 is the name of the operating system, and you can see that the copyright is 1987 to 2009. Larry Wall has got the copyright of this particular Perl version. So this is version 5.10.1 Perl available for us to practice. So we'll be using this particular version for, this particular flavor of Perl for our practice. Thank you.